Today we are making Okoy with Chef Julian and with the assistance of Leah.
You want to make sure you have 2 eggs.
Yep.
Fine. You don't need gloves for this. If you want. If you don't want, your choice. Here's one. You're gonna have some flour.
Yeah.
Just dump. Cornstarch. Need cornstarch. Moving it. We're gonna heat all of. There you go. That's fine. You're gonna need water. Be careful with this. If you literally have a, you're gonna want to mix them. Satisfying. It's satisfying. That should be good enough.
Yep. That's all. Too epic. That's too epic. Then mix it. Mix.
Looks more like pasta. That smells like pepper. It's definitely not cheese. Definitely not cheese. Right?
Do you know
Try
what?
this at home for yourselves.
Yeah.
Try this at home.
Go ahead.
I promise it will be good.
Okay. Then
Yeah,
wanna help.
This is
I
not.
want to help. I want to help. Do you know what help?
Oh, I don't know what this is called.
let's call mung beans.
Oh.
Okay. That's that.
Okay. It might be hard to mix.
Then mix them. Mix it.
Yeah, it is hard to mix.
And we have an audience.
It's fine. Just mash it up. It'll be
Okay.
easy. I want to try, but when you taste it, here, you try.
Okay.
Oops. Oh yeah. Can I have one? Sure.
I can have one.
Go on, make sure you want to make it.
Or two.
So
Of
you need some more flour.
Yeah, this time
Just grab this kind of spoon.
This time
Or you can grab a plastic.
But just give it a long
I can't see, so I'm just gonna
Oh my
do this. Yes, that's perfect.
Your family.
God. Flammy?
Change that's the face, but was me.
You're gonna need so much.
This one's called the cool sound.
Alright. If you want to make Okoy, you always have shrimp.
Hey, your food. Your food.
So,
Your food.
You're gonna have put this right here. You're gonna use this metal spoon or a plastic, whatever you wanna use. You need this kind of chunk. Get your shrimp, put it on, and then here
Add
you go.
more. Beans.
But you need more.
Beans.
This is way too tiny. And you're not following how much I did. You don't want to know why.
No, I didn't.
Because I have a tiny spoon. My hands are way too tiny.
You want them?
You can make me do it if you want me to.
That should be enough. And here you go. How do you like it? How would you rate it out of 10? You comment. You comment what number? 10, 8, 9, whatever number you want. Except for that,
You
right?
don't want it.
You can only go up to 10.
You should wash your teeth. Zach.
So,
Hi, I'm Leanne. I'm Julian's cousin, and we are gonna cook Okoy. We're done this. Alright, guys, here, let's eat it. That was yummy.
no, yummy, tasty, beautiful. You want to see me eat it?
Hmm?
You want to see me eat my shrimp?
What do you?
This is me, Julian, with my assistant Leon, and thank you for watching. And please watch more videos of us cooking if you would like.
But next
See
time
you
I'll
later.
cook.